Now we are moving to the experimental part. The reagents required: standard creatinine. This is the stock solution. The working solution, already I have mentioned it. The working solution contains 200 micrograms of creatinine per ml. The different aliquots of this you have to take in the experiment. Unknown will be given from the stock solution. You need picric acid. This is the reagent which forms a colored complex when reacted with creatinine in the presence of an alkali, that is sodium hydroxide. The apparatus required: you need colorimetric tubes. 8 tubes have been already placed here. You need pipettes, and finally, to measure the optical density, you need a colorimeter. First, we will start with, I will keep it all. The working solution, different aliquots of the working solution. Shake the contents in each tube gently. Now allow the tube to stand for 15 minutes without disturbing it. So let the reaction occur. Stop. We are continuing the experiment. So after incubation, the color developed. You can observe here. You can observe the change in the color. This is blank, this is 0.2 ml creatinine, this is 0.4 ml. Likewise, gradual increase in the color intensity with increase in the concentration of creatinine. Now I am diluting it with water. I will make up to 10 ml. So I am adding 5.8 ml of distilled water to each tube. Shake the contents in each tube. Now we can go for taking OD. This is the digital colorimeter used to measure the OD, optical density. We have to take the sample in the cuvette provided. This is referred to as a cuvette. We have to place the cuvette inside. You can see green light inside that has to pass through this. So we have to place in such a way that the light passes through the solution. We have set the absorbance at 540 nanometers. Now we have to set it to 0 using the blank. take the cuvette. You have to hold the cuvette in this portion, not below this. Take 3/4 of the cuvette. With the sample. Place it inside and set this to 0. So keeping the blank, we have set it to 0. Now I am taking the solution in the first tube. It is 0.2. I am transferring back to this tube number 1. Tube number 3, I will first rinse it with that solution. I am rinsing the cuvette with that solution. Now I am taking that solution. It is 0.31. Solution in tube number 4, rinse with that, then take the solution in the cuvette. It's 0.39. I am rinsing the cuvette. It's 0.22. I am taking the other unknown solution. This is also 0.22. So the experimental part is completed. Now we have to plot the standard graph. From that we have to find out the amount of creatinine in the unknown solution. Plotting the standard graph. Amount of creatinine in micrograms: 40, 80, 120, 160, 200 according to 0.2 ml, 0.4 ml, 0.6 ml, 0.8 ml and 1 ml. And here OD at 540 nanometers, lowest is 0.2, highest is 0.7. So I will divide this as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. For 40 micrograms it is 0.2. For 80 micrograms it is 0.3, 0.31. For 120 it is 0.39. For 160 it is 0.59. And 200 it is 0.62, sorry, 0.65. We have got a curve like this. For unknown it was 0.22. So as per the graph, we have drawn perpendicular to the OD value. It accounts to 50 micrograms. So 1 ml contains 50 micrograms. Scale here. So 20 units or 2 centimeters is equal to 40 micrograms. Here 2 centimeter is equal to 0.1 OD. So this is the graph we have got, and from the standard plot the unknown value happens to be 50 micrograms. Yes. From the graph, this value, whatever we have got, is 50 micrograms. 1 cm cube of unknown solution contains 50 micrograms. Therefore 100 cm cube will be 50 into 100, that is equal to so many micrograms. 1 ml contains 50, 100 contains 100. This micrograms. So this will be the final value. Expected value is this. So with this we complete the experiment. As per the scheme, protocol 2 marks, standard graph, whatever we have plotted, that is 3 marks, calculation 2 marks, unknown. If this is the one given exactly, then you will get full marks. Or if this varies plus or minus, accordingly the marks will be reduced. So total marks for this experiment is 20, 13 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Total it is 30 marks. 30 marks for the performing experiment, 5 marks for the procedure rating, 25, 5 marks for the records and 5 marks for the while. So totally it will be 35 marks. Examination will be conducted for 35 marks. Thank you.